Something's just not right here. What in the wide world of sports is going on here? All I'm trying to do is get a little foaming done, and I hear horns a honking and trains are going. What the is going on? Ah, there you are, my little beautiful isolated local engine, parked conveniently beside the Chinese buffet. You are mine now. Oh, I gambled and lost. If I would have realized that they were doing their switching by the Chinese buffet. Ah, yes. Dramatic realization. But this does not mean that all is lost. The lights are red. I have the go sign. To the buffet I go. Who would have thought that they would have stopped at the station? Aha. Now I stop by the auto parts store in case something breaks down. Lincolnton Station. Haha, this time the world is mine. I've only ate at this buffet once, and I'm very happy. Woo! No. Come on. There's some poor guy taking out the trash, and he's wondering, what in the is they doing here? Anyway, I'm gonna have confidence he ain't gonna steal my car. Beautiful garbage. Well, this ain't worked out as well as I would have hoped. I will take that suggestion.